Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Friday termed the notification issued by the department that a non-Khasi wife is allowed to obtain a scheduled tribe certificate as strange. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh said that he has called for the relevant file and I will go through the details accordingly. He, however, said that it is strange such a notification has been issued because in the process of legislation, once a bill has been passed by the council and has got the assent of the governor, it means that it has gone through the process of being scrutinized by the state government.
It is strange that such a notification has been issued because in the process of legislation, once a bill has been passed by the council and has got the assent of the governor, it means that it has gone through the process of being scrutinized by the state government. And no notification should ever be in a position to dilute any piece of legislation, especially an act that has got the assent of the governor of the state.
The Sinjuk Kintay, one of the women